What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will review the US General Mini Toolbox from Harbor Freight Tools. I will show all of the details and features. Despite looking regularly for the last 3 months, I had still never seen one on the shelf since their crazy Black Friday debut. This was a special effort, coordinated by talking to the store employees and being notified when the next delivery truck was scheduled. And I was eventually victorious! It's available in red, black, and blue, and I initially got black because that's the only one that was in stock, so that's what I used for this video, but I will show all of the colors side by side at the end. So let's get this thing opened up and check it out. It's packaged well in foam padding, and it's in perfect condition with no damage. And here's a 360-degree rotation view to see it from all sides. And to be thorough, here's the bottom. It's recessed with a flange all the way around. And there's a little rubber foot at all 4 corners, so it's not just sitting on a flat bare metal surface. Very nice. The paint is nice and uniform and shiny, and the US General logo is a flat decal. I think it's a nice clean look. And before we open it up, let's get some overall measurements. It's 10 3/4 inches long, by 6 inches deep, by 6 inches tall, and it weighs in at 5.6 pounds, which was surprisingly heavy. I thought this little toolbox would feel like a little toy, but I was surprised by the weight. This little toolbox is surprisingly heavy and built like a tank. Now, let's open it up. There is a bottom drawer, a top drawer, and a top lid. The top area and both of the drawers have a pre-installed, cut-to-fit shelf liner, which is awesome. On the inside of the top lid is another US General logo, which is also a flat decal. And the lid also has rubber stoppers at the front 2 corners, so it's not just metal on metal when it's closed. Very nice! The drawers have a bent flange, which is for the handle, and the drawers have full metal roller extension slides. And the operation is nice and smooth. They feel great. And they're magnetically held in, so they won't randomly fly open. Checking the top drawer, it required 3 pounds of pull force to open. And the bottom drawer took 3.3 pounds of pull force. Nice and secure, but not excessive. And finishing up the measurements, when I measured the depth of the lid and the depth of the top shelf, combining those, the top compartment has 7/8 of an inch of clearance inside when the lid is closed. The 2 drawers are 8.5 inches wide on the inside by 5 inches deep on the inside, with 3 inches of access accessible when all the way open. And the top drawer is 1.5 inches tall inside, and the bottom drawer is 2.5 inches tall inside. So that wraps up the inspections and measurements. Now let's go try it out. Since it's a toolbox, let's start with tools. I stuck some 1/4 inch drive sockets and a ratchet in the top. There's still plenty of room, I didn't pack it full. And I put 7 screwdrivers in the top drawer. And again, I didn't slam pack it full. And how about a variety of wrenches in the bottom drawer? There are plenty of options, but there you go. It's full of tools. And you can even take them out when you need to use them. Or maybe you have an office or a computer desk. Look at all this clutter on my desk. There's all kinds of little stuff all over the place. You could use the mini toolbox for pens, pencils, markers, calculators, rulers, and stuff like that. Or maybe you have some fashion accessories, but nowhere to store them in your wardrobe. You could keep your designer watches and high-end jewelry in it. And after I'm done selecting my snazzy outfit for the day, I can select my high-end accessories from my handsome mini toolbox before I head out to do cool things. Or maybe you're into candy. If you like candy, fill it up with candy. Do whatever you want with it. The possibilities are endless! I would wrap this up now, but after filming and editing everything up to this point with the black toolbox, I went back to the store to film some B-roll of me looking around. And wow, well, wow, what did I find? Red and blue toolboxes sitting on the shelf. So I got them to make a better review video for you. So here they are, side by side. The construction and functionality are exactly the same between all 3 of them. The only difference is the color scheme, and the paint quality is excellent on all of them. To wrap this up, it's a cool little box, and it's very well built. There are countless uses for it, and if it's something you're at all interested in, I don't think you'll regret purchasing it. If you can find it! Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.